up your full foam set and begin placing it into your case. A full foam set comprises of lid foam, base foam, and one or more layers of Pick N Pluck foam. Firstly, lay out all the kit you want the case to house on top of the foam. Allow room for sufficient foam around the perimeter and between items to cushion effectively. A 1 cube wide wall is the absolute minimum between items. Next, use cocktail sticks or matches to mark the position of each item. Alternatively, you can use chalk, which will easily rub off later. Once this is done, remove your items, leaving only the outlines made by your matchsticks. Now it's time to begin removing cubes. Simply push them out where necessary on your top layer of foam using your matches or cocktail sticks as your guide. For cases with 2 or more layers of foam, you may need to adjust the depth of the pocket for some of your larger items. Once you have pulled out the top layer of foam, use the matchstick technique again to ensure you will be plucking the right area for any of your larger items. Once measured out, you need to ensure that you remove the complete block. You will then need to make a horizontal cut at the correct depth, so your larger item will be stored safely. Once cut, place back in cut side down and put any other foam back in place. Place all of your items back in their positions and make any last adjustments if necessary. Your Pick N Pluck foam and your case is now ready to go.